Hello everybody, my name is Paul and this video is for official free of charge trading terminal for Scalping CScalp. Today I will tell you about CScalp types of orders and I use as an example Binance Exchange Market. Let's start with the limit order. Limit order is the most common and widespread trading order in the CScalp terminal and on the Binance Exchange Market. A limit order is an order that you place on the order book with a specific buying or selling limit price. If trader places the limit order, this can be realized immediately, depends on the price action, or it places in the orders book quiet. Limit orders are completely anonymous, but the price and the size of them are visible to everyone. To make limit order placed order work, the price has to trigger and fill it in after the counter-offer order, with the price tentatively booked in the beginning. The limit placed order will be triggered only in this case. Trader can take off the limit order until it will be filled. Advantages: order will be filled by the price you have placed. Disadvantages: filling of this order isn't guaranteed. Limit order is the passive order. If the market has better offers on the market, the order may be partially fulfilled or not fulfilled at all. 95% of orders which are placed by the professional traders are the limit orders. Most of scalpers trade just limit orders. Other orders they may don't use at all. That is why people say he is holding stop on the mind. We strongly recommend to the newcomers to use stop orders for the minimizing losses. To make a limit order, we need to do a left click, and if we're gonna do it on the green zone, in the zone of buyers, we will make a buying order. If we're gonna do it on the red zone, in the zone of sellers, we will make a selling order. If we do the same operations but on the different zones, for example, I'm gonna do a right click on the buyer zone, so that means our limit order becomes a selling market order at the best price, at the current price. And so if we do this similar operation but on the red zone, do the left click on the red zone, and now we see a buying order at the best current price. And pay attention, CScalp sends limit orders on the Binance exchange, so that orders will be placed on the market server automatically. That is why if you have connection problems or you have closed the terminal by accident, all orders you have placed before will be still active and will be fulfilled. To take off limit orders, click on the cross next to the limit order or do a middle click next to the price zone, or you also can use the space button for taking off limit orders in orders book. If you want to take off limit orders book only from the one trading pair, for example Ethereum USDT, you would better use the hotkey F, hovering over the chosen orders book. These settings are adjusted by default. You can change them according to your preferences. Next type of order is the market order. The market order is the simplest order but also one of the most unsafe for the newcomers, not only on Binance Exchange but on the market at all. The market order is a type of an order to buy instantly or sell at the best available price. The orders book wires indicates supply and demand. That means the market order will be completed instantly. The market order ensures the deal, however, a trade won't be able to forecast the current price of the deal. The market order will be completed at the best price, but such price can be changed for the split second. Advantages: the market order is executed securely if orders book contains trading orders. Disadvantages: the main shortcoming of the market order is the process of slippage. Slippage means the deal completed for the unfavorable price while the best price is proposed by the orders book at the moment of an offered order. The slippage most frequently happens when a trader works with a big amount of volume. In this case, the market order will be completed in different prices, executing the best prices in orders book. The slippage lowest overall happens on the volatile market, when orders books been set up the empty deal spots by the major traders. Hotkeys for the Binance market orders: the close position by market, buy sell by market, or return position by market. Close position by market works on the orders book and on the tab if you have a need to do it. I'm going to note that CScalp creates Binance market order as a limit order artificially. When the trader places market order, CScalp creates limit order on the bottom of the red zone or on the top of the green zone simultaneously. I mean on the edge here. It's invisible for the trader. Settings of the limit and the stop orders slipping adjusted by default, but you can regulate it up your preferences. And this option may be regulated in the step price option. Visually, it's not noticeable. The market order will be triggered instantly. Let's make an example. I'm going to make a market order using a hotkey. At the now we notice momentary opened order. The same thing, but we need to close the current position using a hotkey. Let's talk about stop loss. Stop loss is the type of an order to close position. The main purpose of such order is to minimize your losses. Stop loss can be placed only under the condition of currently opened position. So if you try to make a stop loss or take profit, we need to open a position. Therefore, we can place a stop loss and take profit. Stop loss can be placed on the market exchange servers as well as in the CScalp terminal. The position of the order depends on the settings. Stop loss is placed in the CScalp terminal by default. We need to go to the settings and look for the placing stop loss on the servers or on the application. What's the difference between these options? Stop loss on the market servers, and if stop loss is placed on the market exchange servers, operation will be closed by market order when the order is calling. The position will be suddenly closed. If stop loss is placed in the CScalp terminal, the terminal will close your position by the limit order. Limit order will be sent on the edge of the orders book. Thereafter, your position will be closed immediately. If we choose stop loss or take profit location in the application, that means we need to adjust limit order slipping in the stop limit order slipping. Also, we need to set this option in the price step setting. If there is zero by default, that means limit stop order will be sent on the edge of the orders book. Pay attention. Stop loss placed in CScalp terminal will be taken off in case the connection problems or terminal shut down. Stop loss opened in the market service will be activated and is ready to be executed even in case of the connection problems or terminal shut down. Pay attention please. If the trader wants to leave a workplace and keep the position open, you would better to use the market exchange stop loss. Both stop loss and take profit don't even exist without open position. If the position has been closed by the trader, thereafter stop loss and take profit will be taken off automatically. And now I'm going to tell you about take profit. Take profit limit order can be a useful tool to lock in profit at specified price levels and related to the open position. Take profit can be placed if you have a current open position. Take profit may be placed on the market servers as well as in the CScalp terminal. The position of the order depends on the settings. Take profit is placed in the CScalp terminal by default. And if take profit is placed on the market exchange servers, it means that operation will be closed by the market order when the order is calling. The position will be certainly closed. If take profit is placed in the CScalp terminal, that means that terminal will close your position by the limit order. Limit order will be sent on the edge of the orders book. Thereafter, your position will be closed immediately. In the settings, you will better set stop limit order slipping. In the CScalp terminal, in case of connection problem, take profit will be taken off. But in the market servers exchange, it will be executed if price reaches your take profit limit. For example, if we imitate this connection one more time with the place take profit order on the market servers exchange, therefore we will be able to see that the take profit order is still available to be executed. The next type of orders is the deferred orders. Deferred orders not related to the position Binance stop orders, divided into 4 types. Buy stop, buy an order placed in the seller zone, making a buy if the price is going up in specified levels. Press a hotkey and place an order by the left click in seller zone. Sell stop, sell an order placed in the buyer zone, making a sell if the price has fallen in specified levels. Press a hotkey and place an order by the right click in the buyer zone. Buy limit, buy and limit order placed in the buyer zone, making a buy if the price has fallen in the specified level. Press a hotkey and place an order by left click. Sell limit, sell an order placed in the seller zone, making a sell if the price is going up in specified levels. Press a hotkey and place an order by the right click. Deferred stop limit orders are outlined on the market exchange servers and can be fulfilled if occurs under the condition of specified price if the orders on the orders book reach the deferred order level but there are not any trade, therefore the deferred order will not be executed. In the implementation, deferred order will be transformed to the limit order. These such of orders are implemented by the price of the deferred limit order, with the limit and stop orders slipping. Settings of the limit and stop orders slipping adjusted by default by 0. This means deferred order will be transformed to the limit order and will be implemented as the market order. Limit and stop orders slipping refer to the step price. That means if the step price is at 1 cent, limit order will be placed by the deferred price plus and 1 cent. Scaling doesn't affect this parameter. And pay attention, in case of any connection problems or quitting CScalp, deferred order will be implemented because they place on the market exchange servers. We have just imitated the disconnection and as we see all orders left in the orders book. Okay, we're gonna end this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you got any questions you would better write and support team. Happy profits guys and goodbye.